In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the EMA Wave Indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the EMA Wave on your charts and ready to use in your own trading. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and that you have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine. The steps are exactly the same. Once your chart is visible, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It's usually above the price chart, near the toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. When that panel pops up, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can quickly find any built-in or community script. Click once inside the search bar so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. Now, type in EMA Wave Indicator. As you type, TradingView will start showing matching results in the list below. Give it a second to load the options, then look through the results for the EMA Wave Indicator you want to use. Once you see it in the list, simply click on it. As soon as you do, TradingView will automatically add it to your current chart. You should now see the EMA Wave plotted right on your candles. Depending on the specific script, it might show multiple moving average bands, different colors, or shaded areas. Take a moment to visually confirm that it's there and that it's applied to the correct chart. Next, let's customize it so it actually fits your trading style. On your chart, move your mouse over the name of the EMA Wave Indicator, usually shown in the upper left corner. You'll see a small settings icon appear next to the indicator name. Click on that settings icon to open the configuration panel. Inside the settings, you can adjust things like the lengths of the EMAs, the colors, and how thick or visible the lines are. If you're just getting started, you can leave the default values as they are and focus on making the visuals clear and easy to read. For example, you might choose brighter colors for the faster EMAs and slightly thicker lines for the slower ones, so you can quickly tell them apart at a glance. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click OK or close the window and your EMA Wave setup is done. If you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet, use the link in my description to get started, then come back and follow these exact same steps to add the EMA Wave Indicator to your charts.